OK。
The genius of Albert Einstein. You must have heard of the formula E equals mc squared. This is still the most famous scientific formula ever worked out. It remains an important cornerstone of science, and devising it made the scientist Albert Einstein famous.
But he published the calculations in 1905 that showed why E equals mc squared. Scientists around the world strongly believed that E equals 1/2 mc squared. Today, a high school physics student can do the calculations and understand what Albert Einstein did to become famous.
Albert Einstein was born into a Jewish family in Germany on March 14, 1879. He started to speak when he was 3 years old. Young Einstein did not do well at school because he didn't work hard in the classes that bored him. As a result, many people thought that he was stupid. Eventually, he became interested in science and tried to discover a law of physics that would explain how everything in science works.
In 1922, he received the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics. Later, he moved to the United States and became a professor at Princeton University. In 1939, Einstein, together with Leo Szilard, a Hungarian-American physicist, wrote a letter to U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt, saying that America should develop an atomic bomb before the Germans did. This letter resulted in the development of the atomic bombs that would be dropped on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945.
Einstein died in Princeton, New Jersey on April 18, 1955. In his life, more than 300 scientific works and over 150 non-scientific works of his were published. Most of his ideas are still used by many scientists today. His name, Einstein, has become synonymous with genius.